In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice in HubSpot using Invoicestack. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with HubSpot's powerful tools, invoicing is a crucial part of managing your business smoothly. So let's get right into it. First, let's navigate to the HubSpot homepage by opening your web browser and heading over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button prominently placed. Click on it to access your account, ensuring you have your login credentials handy. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your central hub where you can manage all your customer relationship data and operations. Now, let's proceed to the invoicing section. On the left sidebar, you'll see the option named Commerce. This is where you can manage all e-commerce activities, including invoice creation. Click on Commerce and then select the Invoices option from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to the Invoices Management section, where you can view and manage all your current invoices. To create a new invoice, click on the Create button. This is the starting point for setting up a new billing entry. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of invoice you want to create. For our demonstration, we'll select the Create One-Time Invoice option. This is perfect if you're invoicing for a particular transaction or service. Next, we'll add a contact to the invoice. Click Add Contact to search for an existing customer or add a new one. This step ensures that the invoice is linked to the correct client in your database. Accurate customer details are essential for prompt billing and follow-ups. Once your contact is added, it's time to enter the invoice details. This includes outlining the services rendered or products sold, along with their corresponding costs. It's crucial to double check these details to avoid any discrepancies. Accuracy at this stage can save you follow-up headaches later on. After filling in the necessary details, click on the Save button. This ensures all information entered is stored, avoiding potential data loss. After saving, we move on to adding products from your product library by clicking Select from Product Library. Browse through your offerings and choose the relevant product to add to the invoice. Wait for the product to be displayed, then click on it. After selecting the product, click Add to include it in your invoice. If everything is correct and you're satisfied with the details, proceed to click Create one final time to finalize the invoice creation. And that's it, you've successfully created an invoice in HubSpot using Invoicestack. This straightforward process allows you to manage your billing efficiently, keeping things organized for both you and your clients. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video tutorial.